This is what it sounds like at the Salton Sea. Not one bird, not one lizard. You can see how far back the original beach club was built in the 50s, how far the beach has receded as the lake continues to dry up, has no natural source to feed it. You can't see the end of the lake, it's that big. I've tried to walk all the way out to the water, but that salt flat, you sink into it like a foot deep. Nothing. Only thing that's here is an Evinrude motor, like you'd put in an old rowboat. A little electric motor from a million years ago. Nothing. Eerie.